Hey, everyone! Today, we're at the Jadav Pig Farm Training Center. Looks like they're recognizing some folks for their hard work. That's awesome. Wow, look at all these people receiving certificates. You can feel the excitement in the air. And there's a presentation going on. It's great to see people learning and growing in pig farming. And now a group photo to celebrate everyone's accomplishments. What a fantastic way to end the training. Congratulations to all the participants.